This stylish single oven from Zanussi is perfect if you're looking for a self-cleaning model that makes cooking easy. With a large 74-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. As a multifunctional oven, this model has more than one cooking function to give you greater flexibility in the kitchen. With a simple twist of the dial, you can select one of the 10 functions. So, whether you choose conventional for baking or turbo grilling for roasting meat, you'll always get perfect results. This built-in oven has amazing pyrolytic technology, which means it cleans itself. Before the program begins, the oven door will lock automatically for your safety. The temperature is then raised to around 500 degrees and burns away any food residue. Once the process is complete, all it takes is a simple wipe with a cloth to take care of any remaining ash. If you're looking for a self-cleaning model that makes cooking easy, this stylish single oven from Zanussi is an excellent choice.